Yeah, our new catalyst is a follow-up of a previous catalyst, phase 3 of maximizing engagement with predictive customer journeys. And now we do the new catalyst, phase 1, with billing in customer-centric journeys. And this is actually a platform what bring engagements as a service. So we have identified billing items, what is new items which are not existing currently in customer journeys, and we want to address more the different values of the customer during that journey, who is kind of building up the credits, in fact, and sharing between the partners the revenues. And also, at the end, if there is, for example, a sales at the end of the journey, also that you like to bill, but there are different business models with the whole variety of partners.
So revenue management needs to be a central component to the infrastructure that would allow the expansion of a partner ecosystem, that would allow flexible rating and charging models across a variety of partners, as well as the ability to house the customer information, the product information from the catalog, and the ability to onboard these partners and services in a way that can continually expand a partner ecosystem. We all live in a digital world at this point, where the applications that we use on a daily basis they're completely unique from one user to the other. Now, the underlying connectivity is an afterthought to a lot of the end consumers, and as such, the relationship with a service provider is also an afterthought. What this catalyst brings to the table is presenting the opportunity for service providers to redefine their relationship with the end consumers, to basically continually provide a more engaging customer experience through gamification, through personalized interactions driven through analytics, as well as the ability to maintain and expand upon an ever-growing partner ecosystem with all of these different applications and services that we use on a day-to-day basis.
So this catalyst is interesting from the customer perspective, because typically the customer is following a more or less pre-planned journey. At least someone's thought through the customer journey they would ideally like them to take, and that's the path they're being monitored on, that they're being measured against. And in this model, we're kind of letting go of that predefined customer journey and simply observing behaviors of the customer across multiple touch points, across multiple events that are occurring on the devices and with the interfaces they're interacting with. So from this we can create a sort of universe of events that can be observed, and it allows the service partners, the service providers, to observe customers' behaviors and then formulate the kinds of services that would be suitable for them, or potentially to combine different services in different ways that are best adapted to those customer behaviors that are being observed and being analyzed through analytics, through intelligence. So it's very much sort of inversion of the sort of conventional customer journey model to allowing the customer to be really free and flexible, dynamic in their behaviors, and then for services to be constructed around that.